the results have been fantastic. So I'm very happy. I'm here again because I have hair greed and I want even better results. Jed Matheson here visiting Dr. Epstein. I had a hair transplant done about 1.5 years ago. I had 2,100 grafts, FUE grafts, taken from the back donor area back here and placed in the crown and in the hairline up here. And you can kind of see from my before images, I was definitely losing my hair, and it's filled in really nicely now. It's been a great experience, very comfortable, not painful at all. I did do quite a bit of research online. What I noticed about Dr. Epstein is he is respected amongst his peers. He's really active in kind of the hair transplant community, and he's always innovating and always looking to improve on his results. In meeting Dr. Epstein, I found him to be very warm and caring, but also very professional and knowledgeable as well. So he takes his job seriously, but definitely has fun with the team here. And the entire team is very supportive and caring, and I felt confident going into it that the team could keep me comfortable throughout, and they exceeded my expectations. I mean, I really didn't feel anything the entire time. I would say, if anything, your head feels like a helmet, like you're wearing a helmet a little bit. But through that process, I didn't feel anything, no pain. I was awake the entire time as well. So, that part of it was great. And then afterwards, there was not a lot of pain, not a problem there at all. And that was a little bit of a factor in my decision, in my hesitancy before, but I think more so I was scared of, would there be scars or anything like that long term? And, I really learned quickly that Dr. Epstein's record shows that was not going to be the case. Once you hit kind of like that 6-month mark, it's like every month it's just more and more exciting. You're like, wow. I had a lot of conversations with my barber over the last 1.5 years, and he's like pretty blown away too. This feels just like the hair that I had. It is the hair that I had when I was 22, 25, somewhere in there. Just do it. Like, I mean, really, if you really are thinking about it, if you're on the fence, if you're a little bit nervous, I would say just visit Dr. Epstein and chat with him and see if it's right for you.